We tend to think of ourselves as a species that evolved from apes through processes of natural selection and adaptation over millions of years. But humans are not from Earth. Ellis Silver presents an intriguing alternative theory. Humans may have originated on another planet and were later brought to Earth. Silver explores evidence that our biology is strangely unfit for Earth's environment and describes artifacts suggesting advanced technology was once present in ancient civilizations. He considers hypotheses that aliens have long monitored and potentially directed human development, and may have even genetically engineered humanity as an extraterrestrial experiment. Silver underscores the scarcity of extensive fossil records that might depict the transitional phases of evolution, thereby questioning the commonly embraced concept of evolutionary development. He argues that if natural selection were the driving force behind gradual evolution, the fossil record would show a continuous series of intermediate forms linking various species. However, the absence of these transitional fossils, particularly in the case of human evolution, suggests a different process at work. Silver proposes that the swift progress and appearance of contemporary humans, which may have been directed by intelligent entities, show no clear lineage links to preceding species. He highlights the rapid appearance of varied species during a period known as the Cambrian explosion as a key instance of complex organisms emerging suddenly without any obvious predecessors. Silver's argument challenges the idea of human intellectual dominance, suggesting that sophisticated cognitive abilities may also be present in other earthly species. He notes that the cognitive skills and abilities to communicate exhibited by some animals, such as dolphins and pigs, are comparable to those of humans, suggesting that intelligence may have developed along parallel paths. Silver challenges the anthropocentric view that humans epitomize the pinnacle of intelligent life on Earth. He argues that octopuses and dolphins exhibit intellectual prowess, advanced communication, and problem-solving skills that were previously believed to belong only to humans. He cites studies indicating their self-awareness, emotional complexity, and employment of implements. Silver notes that human intellectual capacities probably evolved as a means to navigate the distinct challenges and environments they faced. Dr. Silver's proposition challenges our understanding of intelligence by suggesting the possibility that intelligent beings distinct from humans may inhabit Earth. Silver emphasizes the complexity of dolphin communication as a significant sign of their cognitive abilities relative to other non-human species. Dolphins communicate and identify each other within their pods through a range of whistles, clicks, and body movements, coordinating their collective hunting strategies. Dolphins possess unique identifiers and demonstrate self-awareness, as evidenced by their ability to recognize themselves in mirrors. Silver posits that various animals have evolved unique methods of communication, demonstrating the multitude of evolutionary paths intelligence may follow, which highlights the spectrum of mental faculties present across different animal species. Silver underscores the human role in deliberately cultivating specific traits in animals, a process that can occasionally undermine the species' general hardiness. Silver argues that our interference, while producing desired outcomes in terms of appearance or behavior, has also resulted in a proliferation of genetic defects and health issues in domesticated animals. Attempts to hide the participation of alien beings in human activities represent just one of the numerous contradictions and inconsistencies observed. Silver argues that there has been a deliberate concealment of substantial proof suggesting that extraterrestrial forces have impacted human history, with involvement from government organizations and recognized scientific institutions. He outlines the strategies used to dismiss evidence and the repercussions for individuals who contest the established story. There are artifacts that appear out of place within their archaeological settings, indicating the presence of advanced societies in bygone eras. In his book, Silver introduces a range of peculiar relics that question the traditional perspective on human history and the accomplishments of early societies. Sophisticated technology and knowledge, which seem to have existed before conventional science acknowledged them, are indicated by artifacts unearthed globally. The writer argues that the established scientific circles often disregard or dismiss evidence that contradicts the accepted narrative of human evolution. Ancient structures, crafted from massive stones, showcase a level of architectural precision that exceeds the capabilities attributed to people of that era. Silver emphasizes the extraordinary nature of structures like the Pumapunka complex in Bolivia, Sacsayhuaman in Peru, and Baalbek in Lebanon, proposing that their construction exceeds the traditional capabilities attributed to the societies believed to have constructed them. He underscores the extraordinary skill involved in meticulously shaping, transporting, and assembling enormous stones, each of which tips the scales at hundreds of tons, without the use of any adhesive substance. The author suggests that the complexity, size, and precision of these structures reflect a degree of expertise and skill that exceeds what is commonly attributed to those ancient times. The site known as Puma Punku features precisely interlocked stone blocks held together with metal clamps, demonstrating advanced skills in stonework, mathematical planning, architectural design, and metallurgy. Silver suggests that these extraordinary accomplishments could stem from interactions with extraterrestrial entities or the acquisition of wisdom from such beings. Silver examines numerous artifacts discovered in geological strata predating the widely recognized inception of human history, thus challenging the conventional timeline of human evolution. For example, he refers to a vase discovered in a Massachusetts coal mine, crafted from a metallic alloy and estimated to be 500 million years old, in addition to an iron cup found within an Oklahoma coal seam, which is estimated to date back over 300 million years. Silver suggests that there are signs pointing to advanced civilizations or extraterrestrial entities existing on Earth before the time period recognized as the beginning of human residency on this planet. Silver emphasizes the role that the psychological conflict arising from holding contradictory beliefs plays in deterring scientists from recognizing evidence that challenges their established views. The mental discomfort that occurs when individuals try to harmonize conflicting beliefs frequently leads them to ignore or downplay information that challenges their pre-existing viewpoint. Silver suggests that the discomfort caused by questioning fundamental assumptions about human origins and the beginning of life is so significant that it causes many scientists to unconsciously reject alternative theories, even when faced with persuasive evidence, preferring to adhere to their established beliefs to evade the discomfort associated with cognitive dissonance. Silver emphasizes the significant gap in technological progress when comparing humans to the extraterrestrials that often come to Earth. He proposes that such beings have abilities that greatly exceed ours, encompassing sophisticated energy generation, genetic manipulation, and possibly the ability to traverse time in different dimensions, as well as possessing intricate means of transport. Silver contemplates the motives behind their interactions with us, which can include Silver explores the possibility of ongoing hybridization between humans and otherworldly beings, citing testimony from those who assert they have been seized by extraterrestrials, which describe the creation of progeny that exhibit traits of both terrestrial humans and their alien abductors, and he observes the existence of persons with remarkable talents that might suggest an ancestry that is not exclusively terrestrial. He delves into profound implications of interspecies procreation, contemplating how it has shaped our evolutionary trajectory, our awareness, and our position within the universe. Silver emphasizes that our understanding of these extraterrestrial interactions is in its early stages, and further research is necessary to completely uncover their influence on our past, present, and future developments.